Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making country scrambled eggs. So let's do what we do and make it happen. So I'm gonna start out here by chopping this onion. Right down the sides. I like that smell. You can add some color by using red or orange or yellow, whatever. It's your kitchen, do what you want. This part can be a little bitter. Guys, did you all know that a hen can lay an average of 250 to 300 eggs per year? That's a lot of eggs, guys. Hens be getting it done. Ingredient roll call. We have eggs, canned new potatoes, onions, salt and pepper, bacon grease, milk, sharp cheddar cheese, crumbled bacon, and green bell pepper. Let's go! Okay, we're going to start with these eggs. We're going to crack these eggs in this bowl. You know, no other country produces more eggs than the United States. China and India are next. I'm gonna whisk these together. And then we're gonna set them aside. We're going to get a pan over medium heat, and we're going to add our baking fat to it. And we're going to let the bacon fat heat up just a little bit. Now this bacon fat is from bacon that I cooked and crumbled. I just saved the fat. Now to this pan, we're going to toss in our onions, and our bell pepper. Now we want to cook this until they begin to soften. The onions start to become just a bit translucent. You know what I'm talking about. Bacon back in. And we're gonna add our eggs. Now we're gonna cook this and stir it until the eggs set. Eggs is one of those weird ingredients where people who don't like eggs still like eggs. Let me explain. You can hate eggs cooked this way, but you know, I love eggs and custards, cakes. French toast. Now guys, when it's cooked to your level of doneness, the level you like, if you like it a little runny, cut the cooking time shorter. If you like it more solid or a little more hard, you cook it a little more hard. Now I'm going to turn off the stove here and spread that out a little. I'm going to sprinkle with sharp cheddar cheese. Give it a little cover. Now it's off at this point. We're just letting it sit here for a few minutes to let the cheese melt on top. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna give it a taste. That's good. And you can certainly do this with fresh potatoes that you peel and cook, red potatoes, russet, it don't matter. But you have to actually cook those canned potatoes here, real potatoes. And they work wonderfully in this. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time.